Mbombela Fanatics here, and I'm your host Limpo Mukhale. Mbombela Stadium is where I'm at. Full time in the Betway Premiership clash between Kaizer Chiefs and TS Galaxy. Game as of two ended 0-0 both sides. And the Salvation says game we won in Jai.
Le game kona vele beyisharp ne
Sure.
but ne ama chance la swamisile yo
Sure.
lamanya simple chances
Straight.
siyawamisa actually ukuthi ngakuthi bayigeze ephororweni labafana
Hayi, man.
ngeke phela ngeke ayikhonakali
Okay, Zappy.
ephororweni
logo.
i-waterfall man
Ah.
ayikhonakali we can't miss those chances kuyakani ayikhoneki
Nikhala kani ngabe indzaba yokuthi akuna striker or supply kushoda yona kwanhlobo ukuthi akukho ba chances of creator kwenzakalani?
lama striker lawa asiquality kufuneka vele nje ama striker la
Kanjani
equality
manje lawo
Top notch.
quality kanjani lawo?
lawa yapeta baba hayi like ile chances yalilepho le hawa phela lebe kuyigol le
Straight.
straight goal no ubana no sekhaya ngetinhlito letibhlungu
Yeah.
simosha imali sizala sizoba supporta
Yeah.
no siyakhala
Yeah.
phakathi besakhala obviously
Sure.
ngeke kubona usakhala but inhlito ethi tibhlungu
Kwi-game yokugcina season lena nekuma-holiday njengoba kusasazela neKissbusi nisho ukuthi nje akusisi ibhola lo 1 point nje akusisi ibhola esihle vele kwanhlobo.
hawa le hayi ngiyawala hayi asi-gift le-right no
Sure.
phela uyabona ama-Pirates one mistake ayohamba ane-2 ema-cup no one mistake ahamba ne-league thina sisalaphi sosalaphi ngoba ku-MTN 8 besingekho
Sure.
ku-Black Label siphumile
Yeah.
no ku-Betway siyaleka
Yeah.
and hayi ukuthi asina quality nedi siyamisa kahle kumele bogeza sinyama
Hayi.
yebo
Salvation.
sinyama lesi sinyama
Uthini kimi?
hawa labafana banesinyama
Ngibonga kakhulu Salvation.
okay thank you bye